Oh, it's not more than that. That's coming from home.
Alright, so this is a standard balcony, cabin 6362. Here is our bathroom, right on the left as you enter. Standard cabin. There's the AC. First thing we do, turn that down. We have the couch. A nice bed here. And here's the view of our balcony. And another view here. This cabin has a TV. It also has down here, has a little fridge. As you can see, some drawers, mask, sanitizer. Oh, we got some treats. Courtesy Royal Caribbean. Nice mirror, full length mirror. And then over here you have your closet where you can hang stuff up. And our life vest. Really hope you enjoyed the quick tour here of our balcony cabin 6362 on the Independence of the Seas. Make sure you hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the bell. We just got on the ship. We're going to have plenty of more videos to show you about this amazing ship, the Independence of the Seas. Thanks for watching.